Hello, I am Andrew Skiles, and I am interviewing my fraternity, Theta Xi, over the rush process.
When guys are looking to join a Greek fraternity, they go through a process called rush. This process typically involves different houses meeting a lot of different types of guys to see which guys they would like to join their fraternity. The process is taken very seriously because it dictates the future of the fraternity.
There's a lot kind of involved in the rush and recruitment process. Me being the senior chair, how it kind of works is I have a committee, and then within that committee, I'll be the senior, and then I have a couple different people that I delegate to different areas of recruitment. So that's a big aspect. And then moving on from there, we just have meeting the standards set by our alumni in terms of quality and quantity, and then the number that we want to hit as well. You know, using the right methods for recruitment, not breaking any of the rules, creating a schedule and a calendar, planning events, buying the supplies for events, managing the finance side of things because we have a budget that's set, and then from there, we have to kind of budget out where we're going to spend our money. So some is for supplies for a lake event, maybe gas for the boat, and then we have lunches and other different parts that are covered as well. When it comes to talking to potential new members about the house, there's a huge list of things that gets discussed. Anything from, what we do, what the house is about, Greek life in general, everything that, is attached to that. And then there's a couple of specific things we might get into during the year, maybe like the intramurals we do, the big jersey reveal we do attached to the sports, and then maybe transition to the academic side, how we offer scholarships for people that really excel in certain areas like grades or philanthropic efforts. We have a banquet at the end of the year that kind of gets revealed at. We do awards and the scholarships. So there's a ton to talk about the house. We usually take them out to lunch, and maybe in between events, to kind of get to know them a little better one-on-one, and that's usually when most of those questions are answered.
So rush lunches are typically our second stage to the rush process. We typically take them out to just one of the local chains around here, make it a little more formal, and we go more in depth on what they're interested in, what we're interested in, the things we're looking for in a potential new member, and what they're looking for in a house. House tours are a pretty significant portion of our summer recruitment team. It's a big selling point, not only to potential new members, but also to their parents. It's a very different aspect to living in the dorms, and it's also somewhat cheaper. So we like to sell that to potential new members and their parents. One of the things we like to do is for out-of-state students, we usually hit them on their NSC dates after they do their orientation and everything like that. We invite them over, and we might take them out to dinner and then show them around the house and show them what typical living arrangements are like, show them the food we receive over the week, the study hours and the study room, stuff like that.
The Rush Committee has had a successful summer rush so far and look forward to ending the rush process in the closing weeks of summer, ending with around 20 new pledges.